Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae. In today's video, I am going to show you a 3-room ground floor resale HDB apartment in Potong, Pasir. It is about 730 square feet. It comes with a living and dining, master and common bedroom, a kitchen with a backyard and 2 bathrooms. From these images, you can tell that my client had not done much renovation to her home and was kept relatively in original condition. And so the first thing I did was to demolish the storeroom that was in between the dining and kitchen and the wall dividing the common bedroom and living. And to create a new entrance to the master bedroom, its wall was also torn down. Last but not least, the exit wall towards the backyard was also hacked down. In this layout plan, an entrance foyer was carved out and sliding glass doors were installed to separate it from the dining area. The dining area is now relocated to where the living area was. And next to it is a pantry cum dry kitchen where the storeroom used to sit. The kitchen's overall length has been shortened by about 2 meters, which widens the backyard area. And now the living area sits on the previous common bedroom. And finally, the master bedroom remains as it is. So upon stepping into the entrance foyer, you will be immediately faced by a suspended shoe cabinet which connects to a plant display area. And immediately upon entering the dining, full-height storage cabinets flank the entire wall space, providing ample storage for my clients. At the pantry cum dry kitchen area, this is where my client does her baking and sometimes entertains her visitors at this huge island counter. A suspended TV console and a subtle painted wall are the main focal point in this otherwise simple living area. Just beside the living is the master bedroom. My client requested me to design and fabricate a low headboard and a queen-size bed frame with 2 custom side tables flanking the bed. This master bathroom has been given a new look with new floor and wall tiles. A diagonal shower area was also designed to fully make use of the limited space. With a sliding door neatly installed between the pantry and kitchen, it helps to keep up the fumes and prevent the cool air from escaping into the kitchen. And as always, please remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more interior design and renovation tips. I'll see you in my next video.